This is how hidden betrayal actually works inside your closest circle. If you are not sure whether someone you trust is genuinely on your side or quietly working against you, this video gives you science-based tools to find the real answer. Watch until the end. You will know exactly how to detect it and how to defend yourself without them ever knowing you figured it out. You think life is unfair. You think bad situations keep finding you by accident. You think the people around you are complicated, stressed, or just having a hard time. Pause there. The real problem is different. Your own brain has trained you not to see external pressures when they come from someone close to you. That is not weakness. It is a defense. Dr. Jennifer Freyd of the University of Oregon spent decades studying what happens when strategic disadvantage comes from the person you depend on. Her finding is simple. The mind can downplay the risk to protect the bond. The brain is protecting the bond, not your clarity. So you do not see it immediately. You feel it first. You feel tired after certain interactions. You feel smaller. You feel like everything somehow ends up being your fault. But you cannot name the instrument of control because your brain keeps pulling your attention away from it. That changes now. What follows are 3 protocols built on documented psychological research. Each one targets a different mechanism used by quiet saboteurs. Each one gives you a concrete action. 3 moves. No theory. No polish. You are in a recurring situation. Someone in your close circle says or does something that leaves you feeling reduced. It is small. It is deniable. Maybe it is a joke at the wrong time. Maybe your idea gets buried, then praised after someone else repeats it. Maybe every time something goes wrong, the story somehow ends with you at the center of the problem. You let it pass once. 1 event can be noise. You let it pass twice. 2 can still be context. Here is a protocol. 3 times is a pattern. Robert Cialdini's work on consistency points to the same thing. People repeat what they are allowed to repeat. The pattern is the data. Your job is not to judge motive. Your job is to count. From today, you track it mentally, not obsessively, just clearly. Every time a specific person leaves you feeling smaller after an interaction, you note it. When it reaches 3, you stop explaining it away. You accept what the pattern is telling you. You do not confront yet. You do not react yet. You simply stop being surprised. Surprise is what keeps you unprepared. This works because the brain dismisses isolated events more easily than repeated ones. 3 similar events start to override the excuse-making system. There's a deeper level. You already know something is wrong. You have known for a while. But every time you get close to naming it, something stops you. Maybe I'm being too sensitive. Maybe I misread it. Maybe I'm the problem. That doubt is not always yours. Sometimes it is a protection. Freyd's research on betrayal blindness describes a specific process. When the person causing you strategic disadvantage is also someone you depend on socially, emotionally, or professionally, your brain can suppress the recognition of that strategic disadvantage in order to protect the relationship. That is not a character flaw. It is a survival mechanism that can work against you. What are you still calling normal? Here is the override. Separate the feeling from the relationship. Stop asking whether this person would want to hurt you. That question is often unanswerable and usually useless. Ask something better. What is a consistent outcome of this person's behavior on me? Not their intention. The outcome. Intentions are hidden. Outcomes can be measured. If the consistent outcome is that you feel reduced, doubted, or responsible for things that are not yours, then you have your answer. You do not need to prove motive. You need to read results. Do not say it to them yet. Say it to yourself, clearly and without softening it. This pattern is real, and it is affecting me. This works because naming the pattern privately interrupts the blindness loop. Once the brain registers a risk consciously, it becomes harder to keep suppressing it. That leads to the final protocol. Your stress system keeps track. Research on cortisol and chronic social stress shows that repeated, unpredictable negative interactions can keep the stress response activated over time. Not loudly, quietly, slowly, cumulatively. You are not imagining the fatigue. You are not weak. Your nervous system is responding to a situation it has identified as unsafe. The problem is that your loyalty keeps overriding the signal. Here is the audit. For every close relationship in your life, answer one question honestly. After most interactions with this person, do I have more energy or less? Not every time. Look at the average. If the answer is consistently less, and you reliably leave conversation feeling drained, doubted, or destabilized, then that relationship is imposing a physiological cost that compounds over time. The action is not to end the relationship immediately. The action is to reduce exposure deliberately and without explanation. Stop volunteering extra information. Stop filling silences with reassurance. Respond more slowly. Give less. This is not punishment. This is resource management. You are moving energy away from a system that keeps draining it. Tell yourself this clearly. I choose where my attention goes. This is a decision, not a reaction. This works because chronic low-level stress is easy to miss until you measure it. The audit makes it visible. What becomes visible can be managed. You came in knowing something was off. Now you have 3 tools. The pattern threshold. Count to 3 before you dismiss. Betrayal blindness override. Measure outcomes, not intentions. The social cost audit. Track your energy, then protect it. These are not attitudes. They are not mindsets. They are specific actions grounded in documented psychological research. The person running quiet operations against you is counting on one thing: that you will keep explaining it away, that your loyalty will override your data, that you will keep choosing comfort over clarity. That cover story is over. You now have a detection system built from the same science they never wanted you to understand. Use it. If this was useful, subscribe. More protocols are coming.